Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Vivo Y29 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Okay, now simply tap on power off to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. And you can see it will send you in a Vivo 5G fast boot mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see Vivo 5G recovery. Install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart is available. Simply tap on clear data and you can see clear all data. Tap on clear all data. And guys, here you can see clear all data. As you can see over there, you can see clear all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered. If cleared, proceed with caution. Okay, now simply tap on OK, and you can see it is clearing data. Kindly wait. Do not use the device. It might take some time, so kindly wait. So you can say clear all data cleared. Now tap on return. After it, go back and you can see on bottom power off and restart. Tap on restart and you can see restart your device. As you can see, restart your device. Tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Vivo Y29 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.